Every part that comes in here is intended to get painted and go out as a painted part. We charge for those parts. So if we lose parts coming in, we lose money going out. So it's very important that we keep track of inventory accurately. The inventory challenges that we faced prior to Plex included having to count inventory manually on a weekly and monthly basis. And at the end of the month, it took us an entire day to go through the building and count inventory. With Plex, inventory is managed very precisely. It has reduced my workload as far as having to manually count inventory, but it also brings that information to my fingertips. The time I'm saving by not manually counting inventory, I use now to validate inventory that's brought to the line. Other processes that it has improved is being able to communicate to the customer more efficiently. I am able to not only provide customers an inventory history, but we're able to account for every piece that comes in the door.